Hello everyone. Let's talk about problem solving process. Let's start with the definition of problem solving process. It's a process used to generate solutions to a problem. Let's start with the process itself. The first step in solving a problem is to define the problem. Start with defining the boundaries of the problem and summarizing the problem itself with facts. So, when we are talking about defining the problem, we are talking about boundaries of the problem and we are talking about summarizing the problem itself with facts, whether we are talking about statistical facts, scientific facts, historical facts, etc. So let's talk more about the boundaries of the problem. When we are talking about the boundaries, we are talking about studying the impact of solving the problem, the size, the complexity, and the specialization of the problem. So boundaries means the impact, size, complexity, and the specialization of the problem. After that, after defining the problem, we need to organize the problem solving process. So how? By simplifying the problem, by dividing it into smaller ones and planning the solving process for each simplified one of them. That's step number two. After that, we need to go to step number three, which is research. And the idea of research is to enrich your knowledge about the problem. Here we have two ways. The first one is to inspire solutions from different resources like nature, other solved problems, etc. The second way will be make a literature review for previous proposed solutions of the problem. After research, we have step number four, which is analyze. Here, we need to collect data related to the problem and apply analytics to it. How? By creating experiments to visualize the problem. After that, you will have many solutions. So here we are talking about listing solutions. You need to know the types of solutions. So some solutions will be inspired from nature or other problems. Some solution will be abstract, developed mathematically, or by modifying previous solutions. And others also will be data-driven solutions. So you have to list all the solutions you concluded. Step number six, selection and optimization. In this step, create a comparison table to select the optimal solutions for your problem. Try to optimize the selected solutions using proper mathematics. And when we are talking about comparison table, we are talking about a normal table where you list all your solutions or preferred solutions and then you try to compare between them to choose the best between them. Step number seven, which is prototype. It's all about creating a demo of your chosen solution. Step number eight, so you have created a demo, then you need to test it and evaluate it. So, testing is about the solution successfully solving the problem, where evaluation is about improving the solution quality. Problem solving process is a cycle as solving problems generate newer ones. And it requires efficient communication channels and good presentation skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit our website. Thank you very much.